Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Let's look at what we have for today. Just some post analysis. As you can see, price has just been dilly-dallying for some days now, meaning just doing nothing, building up what momentum. As at this moment, price is just consolidating. So one of two things could happen: a bullish breach, as in rally, or a bearish dump, as in breach, as in coming down or dropping. So that is it. Yesterday, what I was looking at, which the price is still playing, is I'm looking at taking sales, got no retracement, and to get this low. But this is an area where I would be cautious about. But all the same, this low is where my concern is. Okay, then if price behaves well, we can come to this level. Anyway, anywhere within this zone would be area of interest. So that is it. For today, I'm still holding my bias from yesterday to see if we can get sales. It's just that at the moment, what the way price is playing out, gauging the momentum of the sellers versus the buyers here and the sellers again, then the buyers coming is interesting. But don't forget that overall we're in sellers territory. Okay. I was looking at it, but I'm still kind of looking at it that this is a counter trend or a money spot. Price just gave me my set one, gave a deeper price to give set two. But the reason why I'm not looking at taking buys is because we are still below this supply zone. As you can see, price reacted from this zone. This is a faker. This could be considered a faker. Okay, this could be considered a faker. So let's see if price will go up or down. If it wants to go up, then let it rally, like I will show you on Bitcoin. Let it rally, come for retracement, then I'll be looking to take buys. So this is what I'm looking at on British pound, Japanese yen from yesterday and also today. Then for gold, gold played out just like anticipated. We're in demand territory or demand zone, okay, and we got this is a range that was holding. This is a bullish candle break of the range. For those who like trading breakout, buy entry would have been as in activated or filled on the break of the high of this breakout candle. Stop loss below the candle for it to give you first one arrow, then continuing. But what I wanted to see, my own strategy will require me to see, let's say in this situation where price came down, went up, did like this, did like this. Um, I wanted to see something like this. That means a clear bullish breach breaking this high, which is this high here. I didn't get clear bullish breach. You understand? This high is this high here. This low is this low here. You understand? I didn't get a clear bullish breach. So this, if I'm looking at it that this is break on for it, but it's still within this range. So I just like now let me let it be. Okay, let me let it be. Instead of taking a trade that I was not fully did not follow my strategy to the T and I lose, that is a very painful loss. It's better I don't take it and I see it play out than for me to have some second thoughts, take it, then lose. No, I don't like that. So being not too careful, but being conservative with the kind of trades I take. In the long run, I want to stay here for the longer term, not trying to get rich quick and lose it quick as well. So this is what I'm looking at on Bitcoin. Let's see what we got on gold. This is gold. Looking at on gold. Let's see what we got on Bitcoin. But for today, what I'm looking at on gold, gold played beautifully, but I didn't see any position, any place to take buys, unless you're looking at taking it from the 4 hours territory. But then it does not align with my strategy. For gold, for gold at the moment, I'm just gonna wait to see what price will do. Price has given us this bearish breach. Come for retracement. Let's see if price is going to continue down. Okay, this will be scenario one. Okay, I'm not looking for I'm not looking for price to push up at the moment. I'm not looking for that. But if it eventually occurs, this is what I'll be looking to take. I'll be anticipating this kind of, if we get a bullish breach like this, so this will be scenario two. So this is on gold. So scenario one is already playing out. They will break this high, then I'll be anticipating further buys for price to rally. This is sweet, but this is sweeter. Okay, buys above here will be better. So this is for gold. The last but not the least on our pairs to look at for the forecast is Bitcoin. Now, as you can see very well, Bitcoin has broken out of this range that was holding for a long time. And just like I was saying, my bias, not I saying it actually, the market said it. I only was the voice of the market. What the market said was that it was in buyer's territory. Okay, taking sales will be taking going into a zone that has a lot of liquidity to go upwards. Buyer's liquidity, demand zone, demand order block, and what have you. So by price going up was only going to confirm the technical analysis. If it goes down, that will be an indication or based on the influence of fundamentals. If not technically, price was setting for a bullish momentum, setting up for a bullish momentum. So we've gotten that bullish breach. What we want now is if price coming above this zone here will indicate a rally to retest this high. But don't forget that price has already tapped an area of significant concern, or in other words, area of interest, AOI, or zone of interest, depending on how you look at it. So taking buys will just be like flying out of a helicopter or a plane without a parachute. But no big deal, since the technicals align. Take buys above here in order to first of all tap here. If price keeps pushing, then you anticipate further bullish momentum to do what? To retest this high here. So this is what I'm looking at on this is what I'm looking at on Bitcoin, where price would break this high, keep pushing to retest this high, okay, which is in confirm here, okay. On the other hand, no, the other part has played out. I'm more bullish than bearish. In fact, bullish, I'm 90% bullish, looking for buys, and less than any, the remaining will be for any other thing. So I'm looking for buys, bullishly breaching this will indicate further buys. This is an area of concern. I may to get above here. This will be my next target. So this is what I got for you on Bitcoin. The last but not the least is very important. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification